I'm Steve and I'm building HexBox, a product to help regular people take back control of their technology through self-hosting. You're watching the week 23 devlog. Here's what happened this week. So last week I realized I didn't know what problem that I was solving with this product that I built, and this week I took action to try to fix that. Here are the surveys. I talked to 3 different businesses and 2 different individuals, and I learned 3 main lessons. First, small business owners are drowning, trying to be their own tech team, their own IT team, dealing with support, all that stuff. Second, everyday people find cloud technology and apps and things like that to be pretty unfriendly and hard to use sometimes. The third thing that draws this together is people want something that just works without needing an IT degree, but they also don't want to be on a subscription for the rest of their lives. Another update for this week is I finally open sourced the Hex orchestration engine. This is the heart of the brain of the HexBox, and now anyone can use it. It's completely free and open to the world, so check it out. Hopefully it's going to be a useful tool for people to automate their local processes and automate their lives without having to use cloud services. And I'm definitely going to use it when I build the HexBox Photos Edition this week, so keep an eye out for that. Speaking of the HexBox Photos Edition, check this out. I'm going to pop this guy out of the case. This was once the PageKey unit. It's going to get rebranded as the HexBox Photos Edition. The big thing that I'm trying to pivot to here is instead of spending lots of time tooling for mass production, assuming optimistically that I'll be successful, I'm going to build exactly one photo edition and try to sell it. And if it sells, then I know I'm onto something. If it doesn't, I'm solving the wrong problem again. Time to go talk to people again. So that's my plan. Next week, I'm taking all these parts and I'm putting together a complete self-hosted photo server installation guide, and I'm going to use it as the foundation for HexBox Photos and show you how to do it too. So I'll see you there. Head over to tryhexbox.com. You can join the waitlist and get weekly info on progress and be the first to know when HexBox is available for purchase. Thanks for watching. See you next week.